Another crazy, dangerous job with that smart wedge. We're going into this house that's actually half of the building is caving in on the other side. Let me show y'all. Come on, follow me. I'll do the light. Let me get my light. Let's go. We're going into this plumbing light, baby. That's what plumbing got to do all the time. Look at it. This place is crazy. Look out. Adrian. Yeah. If you fall, we're going to beat you on top of that. Look at it. Here's where the leak. Look at that other unit. See this? See this ceiling? This is a normal 8-foot ceiling. In here, it's caving in. Y'all see in there? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Show everybody where it's caving in the ceiling. Look at that. Caving in. And watch crazy plumber go in there. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that, I'm taller than the ceiling. All right. You know what? The leak is upstairs, man. It's actually coming down. And the whole floor is falling down. So the only way to stop that leak is to go up there or let's find the pipe that's going up there and shut it down. So maybe we gotta look at that old carpet. We can come in here and get rich. Get all this carpet out of here and go and trade it in. Get money, y'all. Let me see.
That shit is wet.
Stop, Mama.
It look like that's the bathroom in there. It look like the shower up there.
What's that water?
The leak from upstairs.
Let's see.
I wouldn't come in here
We
because
gotta
it's
get
wet.
it shut off and try to shut this down. Cause I don't know where it's leaking. It's crazy.
You want me to end it?
It's upstairs. Look at this building. Look. Look at it. Look at that. That's showing you how this floor is caving in. See what type of work I do? Crazy. I'm crazy. All right, let's go.
You want to still keep recording?
Nah, we out of here.